Okay, Jose, I'm going to close the canopy while I push this out.
Let's get the local weather. More tower information, Tango 2153 Zulu, wind 1704, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 15, dew point 2, altimeter 3019er, ILS runway 25 right, approaching east, land departing runway 25 right, 25 left. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Tango.
Good afternoon, Livermore ground, PIP 77 Tango Whiskey, Southeast Hangars of Tango, request taxi, VFR departure north.
77 Tango Whiskey, Livermore ground, runway 25 right, taxi via Kilo Bravo.
Taxi 25 right via Kilo Bravo, 77 Tango Whiskey. Merry Christmas, Livermore Tower, PIP 7 Tango Whiskey, short 25 right at Bravo, request down departure north.
7 Tango Whiskey, Livermore Tower, 25 right, clear takeoff, right down departure approved, Merry Christmas.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25 right, right downline departure approved, PIP 7 Tango Whiskey, thank you. Alright buddy, here we go. Alrighty. So I'm going to come out here, I'm going to line up at the center of the runway. It's a big old runway.
Cessna 40 Foxtrot number 2, follow Cessna right down to be the numbers, right 2.
I'm going to put a little bit of the power in. Number 2 for 256 speed up. 40 Foxtrot. Tail up, and we put the rest of the power in nice and slow, smooth. There's our speed, and we're flying. Okay, your airplane? Okay, my airplane. Your plane. So this is basically like the most sensitive video game you've ever played. Yeah, it is so responsive to every little touch. Yep, you just have to think it and she'll do it. So now if we're going to turn left, you just roll a little bit left, roll the stick left, so push the stick toward the left, then pull it back just a little. Oh my God, yeah. Now you've rolled into the turn, we got traffic, 11 o'clock, I've got it. Okay. Load factor, we're going to descend a little bit, so pitch forward just a little. Good, now straighten out. Oh, you got a good feel for it, buddy. Thank you. This is so surreal. Beautiful little machine. It is. But there's so much power in my fingers that it's so true, right? I feel like one muscle twitch and true story. You're doing great. Oh, thank you. Alright, I'll have the airplane? Okay, your plane. My plane. So the first thing I'm going to do is a left-hand turn, and I'm going to pull us to 2 Gs, and we're going to see what you think of that. Okay. This will also help us continue clearing the area. Okay. So I let the nose come back up till I get to 5,500 feet, level off, and I'm going to put us in a 60-degree bank and I'm going to pull. This holds us level, this is 2 Gs. Okay. We're turning left hand. This is called a steep turn. It's letting me look all the way around us, 360, and it's letting you feel what 2Gs feels like.
Yeah.
We'll go all the way around. Back to north. Now force the level. All right, what do you think of that? Feels good. Doesn't feel all that much different than standing on the ground, does it? No. All right, so let's see how close your G meter was on your roller coaster. We're going to go to 3 Gs. We're going to do it to the right. Everything's going to happen a lot faster. How you feeling? Normal. Excellent. All right, so I'm going to roll out here, headed towards the mountain.
Sacramento maintenance, nose 253.
Down 5,500. Little airspeed. Hey, consolidate the level. And here we go to the right. I love being up here. I can see why. So, very peaceful up here. Tango Whiskey, 11 more tower, make straight in, runway 25 right, runway 25 right, clear to land, wind 300 at 3. Straight in, 25 right, clear to land, 25 right, it's Tango Whiskey, thank you. First time up in a light plane. You did good, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
Tango Whiskey, remember my frequency, taxi to fuel via Echo Juliet.
Okay, we'll taxi to fuel Echo Juliet with you. Thanks for the help today. Merry Christmas. 7 Tango Whiskey.
You as well, thanks.